Hey everyone, winter is here, and while the season often means cold days and longer nights, it's also the perfect time to focus on self-improvement. Think of this as your winter arc, a season to become stronger, wiser, and ready for what comes next. Here are 5 simple yet powerful self-improvement tips for teenagers to thrive during this winter season. Ointment 1. Build a new habit. Cut to someone making their bed and journaling. Winter is a great time to start a new habit. Whether it's reading for 15 minutes a day, journaling, or stretching in the morning, small habits can make a big difference. Pick one thing and stick with it for the next 30 days. By the time spring rolls around, you'll be glad you did. Point 2. Stay active indoors. It's easy to want to stay curled up all winter, but staying active is important for your mood and energy. You don't need a fancy gym. Try dancing to your favorite songs, doing yoga, or even basic bodyweight exercises. Moving your body will help you stay positive and motivated. Point 3. Practice gratitude. Winter can sometimes feel gloomy, but practicing gratitude can change your mindset. Each night, write down 3 things you're thankful for. It might be something as simple as a warm blanket or a funny text from a friend. Gratitude helps you focus on the good and build a positive outlook. Point 4. Learn a new skill. Use your extra indoor time to pick up a new skill. Always wanted to learn how to play an instrument, cook a new recipe, or draw? Now's the time. You don't need to be perfect. Just enjoy the process and have fun learning. Point 5. Stay connected. Winter can feel isolating, so make an effort to stay connected. Call a friend, join an online club, or spend time with family. Connection helps you feel supported and reminds you that you're not alone. Winter is also a time for self-reflection. Take a moment to think about what you've learned this year and what you want to improve next year. Write down your thoughts, goals, and dreams. It's the perfect way to close out the year and set the stage for the next one.